How to screenshot Facebook logged profile. So let's get started. If you're trying to take a screenshot of a Facebook logged profile, you can do it just like any other screenshot on your device. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and search for the person you are looking for in Facebook. Simply type down the name, and as you can see, I am typing the name of the person profile. Then navigate to its profile, and here as you can see the profile is logged. Now for iPhone I'm simply using this home button available there, or shortcut button, or if you want to use the other buttons then press the side button plus volume up at the same time and your phone will take a screenshot. After a screenshot, just know that if the profile is logged, you may not be able to see much except the profile picture and limited details. You need to respect people's privacy and avoid sharing screenshots without permissions. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.